Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we are going to be doing prep in today's video, so I'm going to be showing you from start to finish. So starting off, we're going to go in with this cuticle pusher. You can purchase these anywhere. This one is purchased off of Amazon, and if you're interested, all links will be down below. But I'm just going in and pushing my cuticles off of my nail bed. And then I'm going to go in with this e-file. This specific e-file is from MelodySusie. It's a 2-in-1 nail lamp / e-file drill. So I'm going in with a ballpoint drill bit and just going in and really making sure that my cuticles are fully off of my nail beds. So this is super important because if your cuticles are still on your nail beds, this is one of the main causes of lifting of nails. So I just really make sure that my cuticles are pushed off. I don't like to do the Russian, cuticle remover method. It's just a little too risky for me and can cause infections unnecessarily. So this is my method. Sometimes I also go in with a lotion cuticle remover, and that works just as well. But finally, I'm going to go in with another drill bit, and like I said, I just really make sure that my cuticles are fully off of my nail bed. If you ever have lifting, 99.8% of the time it's due to prep. So you want to make sure you have a good prep routine. Not all prep routines work for everyone. This is just what works for me. Also, as stated before, all links will be listed down below. These are all on my Amazon storefront, and I'll have the individual links as well. But yeah, I'm just going in now with a sanding bit, and I'm going in, I forgot to mention, with all drill bits on the lowest setting. When you're working on your natural nails, you don't want to be at a high setting at all. This is just sped up. But yeah, I'm going on the lowest setting, and I'm just getting all of the shine off of my nail bed. So now I'm going to go in with my primer, dehydrator, and base coat. This is my dehydrator that I purchased from Amazon as well. And you can get dehydrators anywhere. You can also get them from Sally's, but they have a slur of different ones on Amazon. This was the cheapest one I found, and it actually really works for me. So I'm just going to go in and apply this dehydrator to my nails. Next, I'm going to use the Young Nails Protein Bond, and this is honestly what changed the game for me. I would have lifting here and there, but after including this into my prep routine, I really haven't had much problems with this prep routine. It's pretty foolproof for me. So yeah, I'm just going in and applying this to my nails as well. And lastly, I'm going to be using the OPI base coat for my base coat. I love this base coat, but I also love the Model 1's brand base coat as well. That really works well for me also. But I'm just going to go in and apply a thin layer of this and then cure for about 30 seconds. Alright, so for this video, we're going to be using my new nail shape. This is the almond extra short. People typically ask me for almond all the time in the extra short size, and I finally bought it to my Etsy shop. So as you can see, it's a little bit different from my other full soft gel nail covers. This one is pre-etched and it's semi-matte. So basically the pre-etching just helps secure your nails to your nail beds even more. Some people go in and they etch the inside of their full nail covers just for extra security and make sure it really sticks to the nail. It's not really necessary when using soft gel full nail covers, but this is just doing some extra work for you. But all I'm doing is going in and sizing my nails out and this nail shape comes with 10 sizes. I'm working on creating different photos to show you guys the exact width and length of all my nail shapes, and the photos will be coming to my Etsy shop soon. They'll probably be uploaded and updated this weekend. And for application, I'm going to be using my solid nail tip gel. As you guys know, I probably said it a billion times, but I did up the shape of it, or up the size of it. It used to be 10 millimeters, now it's 15. So it's a way bigger jar and it gives you a lot more applications. But for this video, I'm going to be using my older jar. I don't know if you can tell the size difference. I'm just going to be using my older 10 millimeter jar that I still have. But I'm just going in with a very small amount, scooping it up and applying it to my nails. This method is super easy and it's becoming my favorite method to apply nails. It's the solid nail gel is like a putty texture, like a putty or a Play-Doh texture. If you've ever used polygel before, which is what I use all the time before doing this method, it's not like sticky and slimy like polygel. It's more of a putty texture, so it makes it super easy to work with. If you have to take it off and reapply, it just makes it like, as you can see, I just took it off and reapplied. It just makes it super easy to work with, and it makes doing your nails so much faster, so much easier. The application for applying these nails took me, no joke, less than 5 minutes. You get the hang of it. I will definitely say that when I first started using this product, I would put either too much or too little gel in the full nail covers, but you do get the hang of it. If you do happen to put too much gel in your full nail cover and some squeezes out on the sides, you just want to make sure that you're scraping that up on the sides before curing, because it can be a little bit hard to remove after curing. So you can see a few times I just went in and scraped the sides, and that's because I'm just getting the excess glue. But here's what they're looking like. Very cute, very beautiful. I never really show how long I cure, but I cure my nails for about a minute. Since these are clear, they don't need to be cured for super long. But now we're going to go in and shape. These are pre-shaped soft gel full nail covers, so there's really not too much to it. The shaping is pretty much done for you. I'm just going in and rounding out the tips and filing down the sides to make sure that if there is any excess glue, that it's fully removed. And I'm going in with an 80 grit nail file. This is also purchased off of Amazon. And next I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna buff the tops of my nails just to make sure all the shine is off, so I have an easier application. Alright, so I really love a snatch cuticle. So this is my little method. I'm not sure if I showed it before. I might have showed it on my channel once or twice, but for a really snatched cuticle, I go in with my circular drill bit. I'm not sure the technical term. I'm not a licensed nail tech, so please don't, come for me. But I go in with this circular or ball tip drill bit. You can go in with a cone shaped one or whatever you prefer. I just use this one because it's easier for me, and I just go in and I just really make sure that my cuticles are nice and blended and snatched. Alright, so here's the method that really melts the cuticles for me. This is the Young Nails Protein Bond, and all I do is I go in and I apply this to my cuticles, and then after applying whatever you do, nail, gel polish, whatever, it just really like blends those cuticles. I don't know what it is, it's like magic in this little bottle. So if you have never tried this Young Nails Protein Bond, definitely recommend giving it a try because it's definitely one of my favorite products. It will be linked down below, and it is purchased off of Amazon. But I'm going in with this gel builder base. So this is not a regular gel polish, this is a builder base. I'm not sure how to pronounce the company's name, and I don't want to botch it, so I'm not going to try and pronounce it, but I did purchase this off of Amazon. And all I'm doing is I'm going in and kind of just doing this swooping method to apply it. So here's the thing, everyone has their own method of applying gel polishes, builder base, whatever you want to call it, rubber base coat, whatever you want to call it. This is how I apply mine. I do it in very thin layers and I just build. Some people, you know, take a big glob and then they do it and they're pros. They can just do one big glob and do the little swoop, swoop, swoop method and they got it. Me, on the other hand, absolutely not. I have to take my time. So if you're new to doing this, I don't do this method too often, so I'm definitely not a pro. I just make it easier and do it in different layers. So I know I'm not making it too thick or making it too, you know, thin, because I've done it before with the one big glob and tried it that way and it was just way too thick and it looked way too bulky. It got too bulky too fast, so that's why I like to go in and do different layers. So I'm just going to show you guys my first layer, second layer, and third layer, and then I'll come back with some extra tips that I have for you towards the end. So as you can see, I am also going in with a nail brush and I'm just touching up around the corners and on the edges just to make sure that, you know, they're all cohesive and they're all the same size. You definitely want to make sure you have a brush, because if you don't have a brush when doing this method, it can look a little sloppy on the sides and the edges. Alright, so as you can see, I'm going in now and I'm just taking my nails and swiping the sides. You want to make sure you do this with each layer. I did forget to do that with each layer, but you want to make sure you do that with each layer so it's super snatched and doesn't get too bulky on your sides. And as you can see, I flip my hand upside down for 15 seconds. That just helps even out the nail polish layers, and you want to make sure you're doing that for each layer as well. So yeah, now I'm going in with some Model 1's top coat. This is not a no wipe top coat, but it is one of my favorites. And I'm just going in and topping off my nails. For jewels, I'm going in with these rhinestones that I purchased off of AliExpress. Not gonna link them because I don't recommend them. I'll link some of my favorite rhinestones that I have purchased off of Amazon in the description. These rhinestones get caught on everything because of the way they are, so I absolutely hate them, but they're so like beautiful, but they get caught on everything, so I don't even recommend the headache. I took them off immediately after this video, so they look pretty, but yeah, I'm going in also with this drill point gel, rhinestone gel, also purchased off of Amazon. If you do rhinestone or any type of, you know, application on your nails with designs and stuff, you need this drill point gel. It gives you the precise application every single time. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 recommend it. You do have to cure it, so I did go in and I cured each rhinestone on my nails for about 15 to 20 seconds. And now my favorite part, I'm going to be using my Jasmine cuticle oil. This is purchased in my Etsy shop. You guys love the cuticle oils, and I'm so happy you love them. They're made with all natural flowers and essential oils. So yeah, I'm just going in and I'm applying these ultra hydrating cuticle oils to my cuticles, and here is the final look. I love this very simple, very elegant design. If you guys enjoyed my video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this super in-depth start to finish video. I haven't done one in a while, so I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!